Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable your touchpad on your laptop Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So basically you have to go to your settings option, and for that you have to tap on the Windows button from the bottom. You can see the rectangular Windows button, then search for settings, or it will be automatically on the font. So just go to the settings option. Now there will be a search box at the upper portion. You can just search for touchpad setting. It's that simple. Just tap on the touchpad setting. You can search, or obviously you have to search for it, then make sure it is disabled. So normally it will be turned on. You have to just turn off this like that. Okay. So if you want to again turn this on, you can just go to the same setting and turn this on. So that's all. And if this tutorial helped you, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to help others, share it. Thank you.